Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer money from PayPal to a Bitcoin wallet in 2025. With crypto on the rise, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. Whether you're a beginner investor or just curious about digital currencies, this is for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a few essentials. Make sure you have a verified PayPal account, a reliable Bitcoin wallet like Coinbase Wallet or Exodus, and access to a crypto exchange that supports PayPal, such as Coinbase or Binance. Oh, and always double-check for any updates in 2025 regulations. Crypto rules can change fast. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account and withdraw your funds to your linked bank account. This might take a day or two, so be patient. Once the money is in your bank, head over to your chosen crypto exchange. Sign up if you haven't already, and verify your identity. It's crucial for security. Step 2. Deposit the funds from your bank into the exchange. Most platforms make this easy with direct bank transfers. Now, with your money in the exchange, buy Bitcoin. Look for the Buy Crypto section, select Bitcoin, and enter the amount you want to purchase. Keep an eye on fees, they can add up. Step 3. After buying Bitcoin, transfer it to your personal wallet. Go to the withdrawal section on the exchange, enter your Bitcoin wallet address, and confirm the transaction. Double-check that address to avoid any costly mistakes. Finally, once the transfer is complete, you can check your Bitcoin wallet to see your new holdings. Remember, crypto is volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Always enable two-factor authentication for extra security. There you have it. That's how to get your money from PayPal into Bitcoin in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.